guys, today is actually my first time trying Mookata. I've never eaten Mookata all my life. Guess what, man? 太好吃 Mookata. To actually do a little mukbang here. The specialty about them is they actually use real charcoal. Okay, it's not the electric shit, it's the real thing. Okay, so let's enjoy all of this food. Oh, the 那个 pot, the 那个猪油会一直在啊。
对。
Oh. While the food is cooking, I'm going to be eating the appetizer first. This is their specialty, the abalone slice. It's got a kick to it. I'm trying to avoid chili chutney. So usually if you guys come here and eat, there is no people serving you. You guys gotta cook on your own. Guys, the reason why I'm doing mukbang, right, is because this thing requires a lot of time to cook. Okay? So today is not a speed challenge, you're just taking our time. I know it's because of the tsuyu, but the spinach tastes very good. Wow, oh, it's seasoned good. So good. I need to dip some of that sauce. So great. The Mookata is simply, it is good in a very bad way because it's very simple. Look at how they cook. Like so good. Wait, this is gonna take forever. So we're gonna get all of them to actually help me cook the meat. Because if not, it's gonna take hours to finish all of this. This is actually barbecue bak kwa. Okay? Never eaten like bak kwa on a steamboat before. This is the first time. Let's hope it's good. You know, when I think of bak kwa, I think of it as very hard. But this one is not tough. This one is still very succulent, very tender. You guys look at that, this is Wagyu beef, guys. Wagyu beef. So instead of Wagyu, you have to eat it with the sesame sauce. Oh, look at that sizzle. The oysters are actually pretty fresh. It's not frozen, those are really fresh oysters. Okay, I've eaten enough oysters to know whether they're fresh or not. These are really good oysters. The manager actually peel the prawns for me. I'm not sure if it's washed his hands or not. Big one! The seafood here are all really fresh. The soup, right, you guys need to try it. This is like where all the accents is at. Okay, they should have no MSG. Okay, so try it at the end. Right, so that's it for today's mukbang. This is my first time having Mookata. Okay, so I actually like it quite a bit. Okay, because of the meat are actually very well seasoned. We gave away 3 sets of their standard sets for 3 lucky winners. Okay, all you need to do is just comment down below. Okay, telling us who you want to come and eat this with. And then we'll pick 3 winners up and give 3 sets away. Okay, that's it for today's video. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Drop me a comment down below. Let me know what other food item you guys want to see me eat. And yeah, that's it. And I'll see you guys in the next video.